In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and efficiently use keyboard shortcuts in Google Drive. Whether you're a seasoned Google Drive user or just getting started, knowing these shortcuts can significantly boost your productivity by saving you time and hassle. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. Simply type drive.google.com into the address bar and hit enter. If you're not logged into your Google account, you will be prompted to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Google Drive page, your personal hub for all your files and documents stored in the cloud. Next, we want to access the settings where we can enable keyboard shortcuts. Look at the top right corner of your Google Drive page and you'll see a small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear displaying several options related to your Google Drive settings. This menu is essential for customizing your Google Drive experience to fit your preferences. Now, among the options available in the drop-down, look for the one that says Keyboard Shortcuts. Clicking this option opens a window showcasing a comprehensive list of all the keyboard shortcuts available in Google Drive. These shortcuts allow you to perform various tasks without leaving your keyboard, enhancing your efficiency and workflow. Once you have opened the keyboard shortcuts window, take a few moments to browse through the list. Familiarize yourself with the most frequently used commands, such as shortcuts for creating new documents, navigating quickly through your folders, and searching your drive. For instance, pressing Shift+H brings up the keyboard shortcuts menu again at any time, which is really handy if you forget a command. As you explore these shortcuts, try to commit a few to memory. They might seem overwhelming at first, but with practice, you'll find yourself using them instinctively. Utilizing keyboard shortcuts can help you manage files, open folders, and perform tasks much more swiftly compared to traditional mouse clicks. Finally, while you may be eager to master them all at once, it's best to start by learning just a handful of shortcuts you find most useful, and then gradually build your knowledge from there. Remember, efficiency comes with practice, and even mastering a few shortcuts can drastically cut down the time you spend managing your files. By the end of this tutorial, you're well on your way to becoming a Google Drive Pro. With these keyboard shortcuts, expect to see a noticeable improvement in your productivity. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.